Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. This is my Gigi bear. This is my daughter Gianna and she's going to be doing my makeup today. She is 3 years old. She just turned 3 a few days ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she's been begging me to do my makeup all week long since I told her the idea. So that's what we're going to be doing today. She's going to be doing my makeup. We'll see how everything goes. I'm very excited for this video. Excited to see what my little artist over here does because she loves makeup, don't you? Do you love makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah. She likes to put lipstick or lip gloss on every single day and she will take any opportunity to get into my makeup that she can. But that's what we're going to be doing today. She's going to be doing my makeup. We'll see what she comes up with and how creative she gets to be. But yeah, if you want to follow me on any other social media, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, that's all will be linked in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, join our little family and help us grow so you can see some more videos that I'm doing, that I do with my daughter, that I do with my family in general. I know a lot of you guys say I look way too young to have a daughter, but I am not. I'm 24 years old, I am married, and I have a little girl, so. But yeah, that is it. If you are excited to see what this little munchkin comes up with today, then just keep watching. All right, so I just laid out a whole bunch of makeup that she's able to play with on my table right here. I gave her some stuff that I don't use very often, so, you know, my nicer makeup won't get messed up. But I'm gonna let her go ahead and get started. Okay, so what are you gonna do first, baby?
I like this one.
You like that one? You're gonna put eyeshadow on first? Right here? Okay, pick out a color that you wanna do.
I like purple.
You like purple? Okay, put your brush in the purple one. Okay, you ready to put on mommy's eyes? Ready? Good job. You gonna do more? You gonna do another color? What other color do you like?
I like brown.
You like brown? Okay, let's do brown. No, not on you. Not a
Purple red.
You're supposed to be doing mommy's makeup, not Gigi's makeup. You gonna pick out another color?
Yeah.
What color do you like?
I like pink.
You like pink? Oh, that's purple, but okay.
Oops.
Ow. It's okay, keep going. You do mommy's eyelashes? Purple? Okay. What's another color? You want to pick out another one? That one? Okay, pick out another color.
I'll take this one.
You like that color?
I'm making a mess.
It's okay. Here, let's tap it off a little bit. There you go. Okay. It's still on there, see? Where do you want to put it?
In your lip?
On my lips?
Yeah. That's so beautiful.
I like so beautiful?
Yeah.
Alright. You gonna do another color?
Yeah. I like orange.
You like orange?
Yeah.
That's how I look, guys.
Is that? I like orange the face.
Okay, let's do orange. Where do you want to put it?
And your lip.
On my lips too? On my cheeks? On my chin?
So beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You like
Okay,
this
I'll
one.
hold it. Okay. We're gonna put that one up.
And there's this.
Oh, thank you.
And another face.
Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I like pink.
Okay, let's do the pink one.
This is not. I don't make mess, mommy.
It's okay. We expect that. Okay, where do you want to put it? On my cheeks?
Yeah. So beautiful.
You gonna do it on this cheek too?
Yeah. I would do.
Oh, thank you.
And this is.
And some more?
And your lips, eyelashes.
Oh, you want to do eyelashes now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a little scary. You gotta be very careful. Don't poke mommy in the eye. Ready? Do my eyelashes right here.
Yeah, clean it up.
Oh, okay, do the other eye. do the other eye. Good job, baby.
That's better.
Thank you. Do I look beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what do you want to do next? You want to do eyebrows? You want to do foundation? You want to do...
Lipstick.
You want to do lipstick? Okay, what color lipstick do you like?
This one.
This one? Okay, you like the pink? You can do pink lipstick? No, on mommy, on mommy.
Let's heat it up. So beautiful.
Do you want to do blush?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where does blush go?
And your teeth.
Good job.
Let's heat it up. Get some more.
Get some more.
And hold on and close it up.
And close it up. Okay.
For your teeth to get your nasty peeled up.
Do you want to do eyeliner?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do white, pink, or black? You want to do pink? Okay. Do you know where eyeliner goes?
Yeah.
Where's eyeliner go? You doing a happy dance?
So pretty. So beautiful. So beautiful.
Thank you.
They're so beautiful.
You're so cute. Do you want to do another color?
Their face is so messy.
You're the one doing it. You're making it messy. You want glitter?
Yeah.
Oh, my eyebrows? That's a nice look. Glitter brows.
There's yellow hair.
Okay, you want more?
Oops.
Okay, you want to do the other eyebrow?
So pretty. You're so pretty.
You're so cute.
You're so cute, Mommy.
No, you're so cute, G. Not for your, no, G. No, because I don't want you to make a mess. You're going to get your shirt all dirty.
It's so beautiful, Mom.
It is so beautiful. Here, it's for your brush. Yeah, why don't you just smell it?
So pretty.
Wow.
You're so beautiful on it.
Thank you, baby.
So pink.
Wow.
Put it some more.
Get some more.
Put it in the nose.
Do I look like Rudolph?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold up. And a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
No. Oh, they're so silly.
You're so silly.
They're so silly, Mommy. They're a reindeer, Mommy.
I'm a reindeer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where do I put it at?
Where do you want to put it at?
Right there.
On my eyes? On my eyebrows?
And this one. Wow. Ready.
Okay, you want to do glitter lipstick now?
Yeah.
I know that's your favorite part.
It's good. Oops.
G on me.
They're so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Where do you want to put that?
Right there.
Oh, eyelashes?
Sure, so pretty.
Other eyelash. Wow.
Don't break it, Mommy.
I won't break it, baby. Put it on you. Put it on Mommy. Dang, why are you smacking the crap out of me? Are you all done?
Yeah.
You're done with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, here, spray Mommy's face. You spray my face?
Yeah.
Okay, spray my face. Good job. Did your finger get wet? Okay, you're all done?
Yeah.
You're with your masterpiece? This is it?
Yeah.
You like it?
And so Daddy.
You want to show Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to show Daddy, okay? We're going to say bye-bye to the camera?
Daddy, dear Mommy.
Daddy's going to be scared of Mommy? That's not
Daddy,
good.
is dear Mommy.
Daddy's going to be scared of Mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good, huh? So this is her completed look. I haven't looked in the mirror. I can just see the viewfinder, so I'm going to look in the mirror. Let me see what she did, baby. Wow, Mama. Wow, it looks so beautiful.
Your face is so dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty.
You're
That's because of you, but wow, baby, you did. I love your editorial eyes. They're very editorial, very magazine, very like high-end and chic, huh? Wow, mommy.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Are you gonna say bye-bye to the camera?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Look, turn around, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say mwah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is it for her little masterpiece. How cute is she? She's adorable, huh baby? I love your masterpiece. I love my makeup. Thank you so much for doing my makeup, mommy. So that is it for this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you think she did a fantastic job. I'm so happy I let her do this because she's been begging and begging and begging to do this video with me, and finally let her do it. She had so much fun. Didn't you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You do something.
What else do you want to do?
I got fat on it.
It's got black on it? Okay, we'll pick out one.
I'll do that some more. I have you stuff. Oh, this one.
Oh, okay.
This one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Okay, where are you going to put it at?
Right here.
No, you're supposed to be doing my makeup.
Oh, it's so beautiful.